East Texas Live. Let's check in now with meteorologist Carson Vickroy for a look at that forecast. Hey, Carson.
You wondering where the fall is?
Where?
Corinne?
What?
Yeah, I haven't found it yet.
Well,
I haven't found it. I walked outside to try and find it. You know, I even got a dog to help sniff it out. It's nowhere to be found.
Nowhere to be found. That sounds very East Texas-esque. Right
yes, very much so. I mean, not a great day of weather today. It's very soupy outside. It's been soupy over the last couple of days, but if you absolutely need to get outside, maybe you have some yard work to do, the wife's making you do yard work, well, it's going to be okay to do that for most of us this afternoon. We've got a couple of clouds around, but one thing to notice, I mean, just look at the flags. That is a 90-degree angle right there, which means the winds are gusty, so don't let that catch you off guard. If you're going on a bike ride, you go to the south, you're going to notice it this afternoon, and if you're doing that, make sure you drink plenty of water because it is going to be warm outside. Lots of convection, lots of thunderstorm activity across central North Texas, and this could very well bring flash flooding for our neighbors off to the west in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Now for us, we are not out of the woods this afternoon. I do expect a few showers, especially across our western counties, which is exactly what is happening right now. I mean, just check this out. Henderson, Van Zant, northern Smith County, we're dealing with some heavy showers moving through the area right now. And you can see along the Sabine River, we just saw a brief little shower pass. That's moving into Upshur County currently. But the further west, that coverage begins to increase. So have that precautionary umbrella just in case you do happen to be under the 20, 30, 40% of rain we see. Here's a closer look at that Smith County storm that's now moving up more into Wood and Upshur County. You can see Big Sandy, you probably saw a light shower or two, and this will continue to be the case here throughout the day. Now temps, it's already warm. We're in the 70s and 80s. Humidity is probably between 70 and 90%, and that's why it just feels god-awful outdoors. But again, we do have some improvements on the way. There is definitely light at the end of the tunnel. Let me explain that right here. Futurecast by noontime today, again, some drizzle, maybe some light rain for our western counties. The heavy rain is out to our west. Now watch what happens as we progress into 5 o'clock. That line moves a little closer to us, but most of us still dry, kind of like what we're seeing right now. You might see a few peaks of sunshine, so the kiddos' soccer practice, wherever you're going this evening, it's not going to be canceled. We will see some heavier rain across our western counties by midnight tonight, and then northwest of, I would say, Palestine, Jacksonville, Longview sees the best chance of rain tomorrow. This is 9 o'clock. You can see that heavier rain right there. And then as we roll into the afternoon, still seeing the rain, but all of this begins to slowly push off to the east as we go throughout the day. Friday, look at Friday at 1 o'clock. We're really not seeing too much, and it is going to be quite a nice day for your Friday. More rain this evening in our northwestern counties, just some isolated showers across deep East Texas. That coverage expands off to the southeast tonight, so don't be surprised if you do wake up to a little bit of thunder tomorrow morning. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty nice once we get through Friday morning. Now, Friday afternoon, you're going to notice a couple of things. We've got temperatures in the 80s, but look at this wind right here out of the northwest at 15 miles per hour. Lots of sunshine Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Temperatures will be in the 70s, 80 degrees for your Tuesday. And deep East Texas, rain coverage is a little less for you guys. I wish we could see more rain because we are seeing those drought conditions. Regardless, everybody is dry by the weekend with highs in the 70s. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.
Thank you.